booba horns. Time lapse. See, in order to succeed, you gotta do it. You do it. You can't sit there watching this video right now. You gotta do it. And only when you do it, then you realize you did it. And when you did it, then you don't have to do it. Unless it's something you gotta do again. That's why, that's all. Time lapse. Doing it equals the opposite of not getting it done. Do you want to get it done or not? So, time lapse. Time lapse. Honesty. Honestly. Honest. Sincere.